Hey guys, welcome to 60-Second Tuesday. Today it's all about aftermarket Sat Nav. There are a lot of questions about how best wire them in your motorbike. Some people say wire them directly to the battery, other people say wire them to your ignition. You could argue it makes no difference whatsoever, and to be honest, in practical terms it really doesn't. However, don't forget, if you wire something directly to your battery, you always have the chance, if the battery fails, it takes your Sat Nav out as well. The main question raised was, what's happened if you wire it in the ignition circuit and you switch off your motorbike? Does the Sat Nav switch off as well? My Sat Nav is wired into ignition. Have a look, engine is running as you can hear it. So if I switch the engine off, it will ask me if I want to disconnect from the power supply and go to sleep. I'm going to say nope. So take the key out, perfect, put it in my pocket. So now you can still reprogram your Sat Nav. If you decide you want to go into a restaurant or a cafe to do that, you just take it out, take it with you, and you're fine. I hope that answered the question what's happened if you switch off the engine and your Sat Nav is still on. So if you liked that video, please subscribe to my channel and click the icon below. I shall see you next week to another 60-Second Tuesday. See you later, bye and safe riding.